I'm going to demonstrate how to work with data visibility restrictions for the automated tests. Here I have some project. Data visibility works only for shared space, and it works for specific entities types and subtypes. For tests, the subtypes are manual tests and automated tests. Here there is a field data access categories, which indicates what categories the test has. And as you can see, it is not relevant for anything except for manual tests and automated tests. So I'm going to filter it just for the convenience. Now I don't have anything, and also I don't have any data visibility restrictions on my project, but I'm going to do it. To do it, I'm going to the settings here. To the space level. Of course, I should be space admin for that. I'm going to give data visibility restrictions for specific user roles. In the permissions tab, I select tester user role. I go to the data access, and for now it is not checked. I have a user, Lena, which is a tester in one workspace, and now I want to show that currently this user has access to everything. So I'm on tests, and I can see all the tests that there are in the system. Let's return to the space permissions tab. Again, I select the test role, go to the data access, and enable the data access control. I grant only category A to be visible for this test role. By the way, I can manage categories as well. I can add, for example, here another one. Save the role, return to the tests tab, and I grant some categories to the automated tests. For example, here A and B, and here C. Okay, these are left without anything. Let's go here and refresh, and I see only 2 tests which were granted with category A. Of course, it will work also for rest. For example, here I'm asking for test with ID 1019. If you see, as you can see here, it doesn't have any category. So I would not get anything here. And here I'm asking for the test with ID 1015, which has a category A, and I get it, okay, as expected. I would like to show you another helpful functionality, test assignment rules. This is on the workspace level. On the DevOps tab, there is the assignment rules, which with the rule I've got already. The rule with some name, with the test with UI, containing UI in its name, will get that access category A. Once I save this rule, it will run on the existing tests. As you remember, I have one test with a suffix UI, which currently doesn't have any category. Save the rule and refresh. I get it. Again, here I get it as well. And now I'm going to run a pipeline. I'm going to run it using GitLab, but it, of course, will work for any supported CI/CD server. Let's run it. And please pay attention. Now I have only one test with the suffix UI. I will have another one after the pipeline will run. Okay, it will take a minute. Let's wait a bit. When the test matching the test assignment rule is injected into Octane, it is automatically granted with the category we've chosen. So I expect to see here one more test with the suffix UI, and I expect it to have the same data visibility category A. Okay, great. I have two tests with the suffix UI. Let's see. Yes, I have also the data access category, and of course, here with the tested user, I see it as well. That's all. Thank you.